That's why they're losing the jobs. This is a see. You have to
सर
clear this.
यार ये भी पीप कर देना. Indians, Filipinos.
Of course, this is a
Chinese.
dark reality, and what is happening, I am seeing from my perspective is that.
Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Guys, as you guys know, I have been a chief engineer who sailed for around 20-24 months on board ship, and out here I've got Piyush Gupta sir. He is a technical manager. Once again, I am repeating, chief engineers, captains एक ship को देखते हैं. Technical superintendent looks at 5 ships. A technical manager looks at 25 ships. He is the top boss, I would say. मतलब topmost bosses में से एक. So that is how I would put across so that people can value कि भी experience क्या ला रहे हैं. Sir, as a chief engineer when I am on board ship, I have one common thing to say and that is कि ऑफिस वालों को कोई काम नहीं है सिवाय मेल भेजने का. They have just one job to send a mail. और ये सर मेरा एक बड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग परसेप्शन रहा विद माई ओन एक्सपीरियंसेस वेयर आई हैड आई वोंट नेम द शिप और द कंपनी बिकॉज द मोमेंट आई गेट टू मच थिंग्स विल कम इन टू foresight, but I literally had fight altercations on phone with my technical superintendent where I am good at something, he is not looking at that, he is good at something, I am not looking at that, and that perspective is getting lost. Like उन्हें मतलब है motor specifications. I have given the motor specifications. Now his take is, no, I can send this motor, these are the specifications, can this fit? I get damn angry.
Okay.
मैं यार मेरा ये काम है मेरे को, and I feel I've got a lot of work to do.
ठीक है, इसी पॉइंट पे बात करते
हाँ
हैं.
पहले इसी बात पे.
पहले मोटर पे बात कर लेते हैं.
हाँ कर लीजिए प्लीज.
मोटर के
इंग्लिश में ही सर.
Let's solve the motor issue once and for all, guys. Okay. Okay. I have been a superintendent. I have faced the same issue with me as well. When you try to buy a motor. Ship was built in China. Chinese manufacturer made a motor which was of this size, this length. It has a foundation bolts. It had a shaft dia. Now, when the ship is trading in Europe or ship is trading in let's say South America, there are motor companies. Motor cannot be shipped from China. So I have to find local companies. First and foremost, they will try to find the specification for nameplate. Nameplate will come with your requisition. Purchaser tries to float the requisition. Purchasers are like graduates. They don't know what motor is. They have never seen in their lives. So motor still they might be knowing, but if you ask them lantern ring, if you ask them any part impeller, they don't have any idea. They just take your mail, copy quote unquote, send to 10 different suppliers in that area. That do you have this? Do you have this? They like going in the market with that placard. Now the market guy is saying we have motors, but we don't have this specification. We don't know. Then the email will come. The guy is asking, what is your shaft dia? What is your key size? How much protrusion from the motor? How thickness? Because there are hundreds of shops in the market, which this guy is going with placard, and he is saying which one should I buy? So at this point, and then the game starts. They will send one mail. Okay, this how much size? Then the ship will say, okay, measure this, and he will send, okay, it is 23 centimeter long.
सर मैं आपको कट शॉर्ट कर सॉरी बट सर दिस इज अ पेन.
इट्स अ पेन.
मतलब
इट्स एंग्विश. इट क्रिएट्स सो मच
सर पेन. मेरे को अभी पता चल रहा है कि 1 hour notice I have got 2 generators running. My one generator is giving problem. My second engineer is looking at the purifier thing along with 4th thing. It is not working.
We don't have people to measure this.
And Batti Saab is working on AC.
Yeah.
And suddenly now again I'm telling Batti Saab, can you please go and check? And some ships do not have electrical officer also.
Yes.
Can you check the fitting size? Saab, am I only for this job out here? And not from one specification. You get 4 such. Check this.
And because what happened is he had went to 3 different shops, and each shop owner has asked, or each vendor has asked him different questions. He has copied these questions. He doesn't know these questions are similar or different. He sent 3 mails. Now some captains, Bada Saab, this mail has come since yesterday. You need this reply. This is also boiling chief engineers. Many times I have seen that.
And why is captain so much into this?
Why? I also want to ask, because some captains, I would say, are genuinely interested, but some try to just exercise authority, and they are not understanding that chief engineer knows this priority. He knows the mail has come. But if you just tell him like this.
Sir, मेरे केस में I was lazy. मेरे केस में when such kind of mail used to come ना, I used to get so angry that I thought कि I will not reply only. मेरे साथ ये प्रॉब्लम था.
Now I will tell you a case because I always believe that I had made a pledge while I came transition from ship to shore is that I will not forget these moments. So you talk to any of my purchasers. I know them by names. I will put them in the comments. I will tag them. These guys, when the purchasers used to bring these questions from the vendors, and they were about to draft it to chief engineer and captain, I said, wait. His name is Rahul. I said, Rahul, wait. You know, chief ship people are very, very busy. So this vendor is asking you 3 questions. You don't have to send this to ship. Then he says, sir, who will tell me then? Will you tell me? I said, no, I am even more busy than the ship people. Now what will you do? But you have to find answers. So I asked him, the ship has given you a specification. Ship has given you photo as well. Ship has given you many dimensions. Okay. So you give this vendor that which is your nearest fit of this motor. You ask him again. You ask him, don't, instead of asking me this question, how much protrusion, how much is this, how much is this, you find nearest fit of this 3 motor, and there will be 2. Okay, one is little ahead of this, one is little below of this. And you ask that vendor price of these 2 as well. And then you ask my chief engineer in a mail, will this fit or this fit? And then he will only have to ask his electrical officer, okay, but can this or this fit? He can tick mark. This is the way I have trained my purchase officers.
नहीं, I will give a round of applause for this one. I think so कि if any technical superintendent is watching, do not get offended. But अगर आप कुछ सीख सकते हैं सीखने की कोशिश कीजिए. This is really helpful. Second question, sir. Sir, furgy spares. I would say duplicate spares. I am working on purifiers.
Yes.
I am finding spares which are not added. अच्छा, I want a O-ring for this particular auto backwash filter. Can this O-ring fit?
Okay, this is like I am feeling like in आपकी अदालत.
आपकी अदालत नहीं सर, ये
I
बड़ा
have been cornered and
नहीं
it's
बड़ा
like grill.
नहीं सर, this is like a
Grilling.
question from the heart.
It's a very good question, and I really value it. This I wanted it to be in this.
I want this spare only.
Okay, why office people are sending spurious spares? We are working so hard in hot climate, putting our sweat and blood and doing this work, and after 1 month this O-ring will fail and I have to do it again. Why?
Yes, सबसे irritating sir, सबसे irritating.
Why,
I don't want to
why
do
are they
that.
doing it? Okay, now you understand the fact that nobody on this कोई भी nobody willingly buys spurious spares. Nobody. Okay, but you understand the fact the same O-ring which Alpha Level is giving in, let's say, $50 is available in $3 as well. Less than 1/10.
Sir, I am not interested. This is happening. You are okay.
Now
You are
understand,
taking care of the money
not
part,
only this much,
but at
not
the
only
cost
this
of
much,
seafarers' hard
not
work.
only this much.
हाँ
not
जी,
only
okay,
this
okay,
much.
आगे.
I'm not saying that you buy spurious spares for $3, but what happens is that the vendor comes to me and he says that, sir, I am also supplying to this spare will go to put their tag, and the same spare will come to you. So I say, okay, if this is the case, and I check it, it is the fact. Many vendors produce in India, produce in various countries, and supply to, and then sends the same spares to the vessel. I say, why not I save that money and give my chief engineer and master good stores in the same money which I
Sir,
save.
see, but sir, see, I'll tell you. अगर इतना ही ख्याल है हमारा, suppose, why don't you give us extra bonuses? You guys get extra you guys get 2 months extra salary or 4 months extra salary or 5 months extra salary, right? I have on my entire journey of chief engineers, there has been only one ship where I have got a bonus. That was also, sir, how much? $500. So, sir, my question is, and it's tough out here. If you do not want to answer, fine. But this is turning out to be great. As a chief, it's a good discussion happening.
It's a good grilling thing
Ki,
happening.
sir, fine.
I wanted to be grilled. Because I really want to.
Sir, stores में,
showcase.
sir, at the end of the day, stores fine. As a superintendent, he has got a budget to maintain.
Yes.
And the more he saves, he has got good performance to show. Sir, ऐसा नहीं कि then I get very good quality of stores as well.
Okay, now let's talk about
A company which is giving good spares is giving good stores. A company which is saving on spares is also saving on stores.
But
This is what I feel.
You ask my chief engineer, sir, captain.
Sir, this is not for you. I'm talking
I'm
about general.
saying, it is a philosophy that I also talked in previous videos, that penny wise pound foolish, don't become a penny master. Penny wise pound foolish. If you try to save pennies, you will be paying in pounds. Guys, this is only for managers and technical superintendents I'm talking. please give responsibility to your chief engineers and captains. They are not there to waste money. They will help you 10 times better. And when you give stores and spares, don't be a miser. Don't be a miser. Of course, now let's talk about only about bonuses. Bonus, when we talk.
सॉरी सर मैं बोनस का बात किया बट कहीं पर सर सी आई हैव नॉट सेल्ड अ सुपरिटेंडेंट आई डू नॉट नो दिस
I will tell you. Let's say I am a very good, humble person.
Sorry,
and I
one
want to.
second.
Let's say in a our perfect world, okay, a sure person gets 2 months, 4 months bonus at the year end. He is getting because he has saved in his performance whatever budget he got. He saved some money. I would definitely, most definitely pitch, and my MD knows it. My general manager, whoever I have worked it. Everywhere I have been promoting this idea that give my sailing staff a bonus. Give my sailing staff a bonus.
They
Why?
would love it.
Why? Because, but I would say they will feel part of your team. They will feel I've sailed in a company called. Their top 4 people were getting bonuses. They were feeling that they are also equally owner of this ship with the superintendent. So these 5 people were becoming one team. And I have seen at 10 p.m., 11 p.m. also chief engineers soldering some PLC, and they were saying the dreaded word was call a service technician. Everybody used to be dreaded. Why we need a service technician? We will solve this. There was a ICCP unit which was faulty. The chief engineer drew it out. ETO and they themselves fixed it, and we put it back. So the kind of amount of money which was saved, and everybody used to feel that when the ship makes a profit, the numbers are out there. Everybody is.
Sir, we never know. Sir, the commercial part is never shared with the sailing staff. We do not know that.
That is a big misconception. In each company, in Seven Island, in Jesco, in SCI, each company, you are getting the numbers. Only you are not seeing it. The budget, when the superintendent is putting, he will definitely send it to chief engineer. Please fill these numbers. How many decals are there?
Yes,
How
yes,
many?
yes.
So that is the budget which the owner has given him.
So
You take that budget to your heart. You say, okay, this is the budget, sir. If you and me are one team, we will try to run the ship in a very good quality, good spares, and our budget. We will bring the numbers down to the best in the business. Let's say if you run the ship less than 10% of the budget, it's a very big achievement in today's
sir,
time.
as a chief engineer, I would love to do that. But मुझे पता चले कि say I have saved this much money, I have got say $5,000 in bonus.
Yes.
But it shouldn't. Again, when I talk about bonuses, I mean it is incentive and it is performance oriented. Yes. What happened in superintendent's case also? It started with performance, but today it has become a norm. कि 2 months का in most of the companies, if I'm not mistaken.
No. Now again, there is a catch here. I am spilling the beans out, guys. The annual bonus which you guys are getting as a superintendent is not basically for your performance. It is just a carrot to keep you in the company. Because the ship owner doesn't want that every 6 months, 8 months a person is switching. He wants a person he has trained to at least work for till December. So he has kept a carrot. That in December you will get 2 months bonus. But that is actually a part of your CTC. When they do an interview with you, they will say, okay, you will get 50 lakhs in this year. But this 50 lakhs is including the guaranteed bonus. So
person
this is
stays.
basically a carrot. Many companies have even Diwali bonus, and I was very vocal about it. What is this nonsense Diwali bonus? It is my CTC. You are deducting from my salary every month and giving me in Diwali.
Sir, I hope this video does not land you in trouble, but thank you very much.
No, but I was voicing it. You guys are taking me to a kitty party or what? This is my 50 lakhs. You have promised me. You give me every month so that I can pay the bills in time. I have seen many superintendent friends of mine. He said, sir, sailing time, I had made some FDs. Now I'm dissolving those FDs and I'm waiting for the Diwali bonus to come to pay my credit card dues. So it's very pitiful situation out there. Also, because in many places it's not two-way street, and outside world is cutthroat. So that's why, Praneeth, I would say people who are sailing, they are in a better situation. You get your full amount at the end of the contract. And why this bonus system is not rolled over everywhere, although many superiors who I spoke to with were very keen on starting this. with a back-to-back system, if a chief engineer, captain, master make a team and they go on back-to-back for a year on one ship, it can be rolled out. The ship owner was very keen to give it to them as well. But what happens is life happens. People are not able to rejoin. People sometimes sign off early. A new person comes in. Who will track all this? There is no system. Otherwise, he is more than willing to give these bonuses to you.
Okay. चलो सर कुछ तो आई होप सो समवेयर डाउन इफ दे आर सो मच विलिंग a plan is laid, somehow it is executed because as a chief engineer, even masters, salary is there. But sir, I feel very bad at one point, and where I feel hurt also, that a chief engineer जो कि 4 महीने आया और a captain, he just went there, just did his duties, barely he did his duties. He was happy in his merry-go-round. And there was another chief and a captain was very much into engine room, onto the bridge, working very hard. Even I've seen some very, very hard working, amazing captains and chief engineers in my life.
Yes.
They were also getting paid the same, and this person was also getting the same. No incentives, nothing. Now, this is something which is really very disheartening. And this is at shore also, I think so, in shipping industry, it is the same culture. It started as a performance bonus, it became like, chalo ji, constant kar dete hain. So even if a superintendent friend who's damn good, he's also earning the same. So we do it for ourselves. But in the MNC cultures, in the internet companies, in Google, Amazon, they pay the people who are really good. Netflix, they pay really good.
Yes. This is something also which now this is the point where we have a common ground, and I totally agree with what you said. There is our industry has a different bias. They see people based on the years of rank experience, not by the kind of intellect they bring on the table, not by the kind of dedication, hard work, motivation. It is very, very dilutely weighed. But if you have 5 years in rank, you might not be very keen, very motivated, but you are more important to us. And this is somewhere down the line, even the oil majors are culprits for this, starting this culture, because they see that, okay, in a matrix, we need at least total years of a rank experience should be 5 years, years with operator should be 5
ये
years.
प्रॉब्लम है. दिस इज द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम. अगेन इट इज कैलकुलेटेड एज पर सी टाइम कि
Yeah,
5
why?
साल हो गए हैं तो है. They do not check the performance, and even the evaluators
Yes.
are not well good. Sir, having said that, we have to end this thing because we have to do the other videos.
Yeah.
But there are 3 things what I found out, sir. Just taking my take. First thing was I found out as a chief engineer, I'm talking, budget आता है sir. I was disinterested because I thought I am not getting anything. Why should I be interested? 3 dollars. But अगर if I am giving a role, okay, if this much money is saved, you also get this much. I would be interested in knowing how much is the budget, how much is the ship saving, and I would be much more than interested to save for the ship as well. See, it works on incentives. So
It
that
was
is
the
one
incentives.
thing. That is one thing.
Ship owners who are watching this video, please try to see some keen chief engineers, captains who are willing to do the haul, who are willing to do the job. Start some system, because a small system can give you wonderful results.
At least for those sir who are old hands, जिनका अपने काम 5-6 साल देख लिया है. आप 15 साल के बाद उन्हें बोलते हो कि चलो आपको घड़ी देंगे, 20 साल के बाद बोलते हो आपको ये देंगे. मतलब this is really not something which you should be happy about. And somebody, when you know a captain, sir, I have worked with some amazing captains. So they used to go on deck and work like anything. अगर वो the cargo hold cleaning is happening, they know the people are, and they have to do it under charter party time. The time was very less, और cargo grain cleaning हो रही है. The captain himself is down, the chief is down. Sometimes decarb चल रहा था, chief is working along with his people for 18 hours, 24 hours. We see, but not everybody is doing that. So those people, those who are doing that, those are really good with troubleshooting. Those who have saved some money
What they got
in
in
spares,
return.
stores, everything. They should be.
But what I say is that
Incentivized.
But I would say do good anyways, because you never know from where this good what you have done will come back to you.
Sir, ये change नहीं
Karma
होगा.
is not what goes comes along.
Sir, I agree.
If see, I have seen second engineer who was very intelligent, very hardworking, and I have seen a second engineer who is just an okay person who just will do a little bit and then go back. So now, when as a technical manager, I wanted to hire somebody, I picked up a call and say, okay, Saurabh, what are you doing right now? Have you cleared your chiefs? Okay, you have sailed his chiefs. Please come join me as a company, in my company as a superintendent. So people are watching, even if the company is not immediately paying you, but your society, the word will spread that you are a great guy, and the word will also spread that you are not a great guy. So too good anyways. And whatever you do it with your full heart. That's what I would end with.
See, sir, ये तो I completely agree. And sir, I have seen those. I'm talking about incentives, but those people who are really good, they do not work for incentives. They work for themselves. पहली चीज. But the thing is, अगर company उनको value करेगी, maybe they might be able to do better and might inspire others. कि यार अगर मैं ऐसा करूंगा तो I might get paid more. But having said that, I believe कि why ship owners are afraid of doing this is because I'm on the other side today. I'm an entrepreneur as well. Because then it becomes a trend. And sometimes what happens, those people are not really good. They also start saying, I deserve, I want to get. Second thing. Third thing is, if once it becomes a trend, then suddenly the profits are going to reduce, and those people who are not deserving, they will also have the same take. I'm into education business. I'm running my own institute. I started with this one thing called loyalty bonus, which is talk about the carrot part. And I realized that yes, it was working, but most of the people did not think that it's a part of their salary. They thought it's mera hak hai. So I started with something like, I started with a thing called that every month, one Saturday will be off for my all teammates, the academy, all people working in 1 month, and they'll go for a paid holiday together. Holiday means for a 1 day outing together. I started because they deserved. But within a span of 8 months, it became a right. कि सर इस महीने तो हुआ ही नहीं है. So this is another challenge where we, as ship chief engineers or captains or young officers, need to understand that it should be for the deserving, and it is not a right that you would have. It is something that if you deserve and if you can prove, then they might give.
Yeah, so in this same note, I would like to add one more point is that it may not be incentive, monetary incentive. If a job is well done, let's say a post-state inspection was done and the chief engineer captain put up a good show, a good appreciation email must definitely come.
So that helps.
Yes, and I make a point to not only send this email, I write their names as well, that okay, I acknowledge your hard work. Even the chief officer and second engineer's name you can add, or the ETO's name you can add. It works wonders to those person who are on the ship, that okay, somebody in office knows my name. And
Sir,
also,
बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. There were some superintendents who write, dear captain name, chief engineer Praneeth or chief engineer Mehta. That Mehta used to give me a sense of kick, sir, out there. कि किसी ने मुझे भी appreciate किया. Completely agree, sir. Completely agree.
So, and our industry in general, if you understand, just imagine a day of a superintendent. The whole day in his office, he is just dealing with breakdowns, firefighting, challenges. Very, very, very less appreciation or a positive news emails. So it's a very, very dark industry. And when you work for 5-6 hours, I mean, the
appreciation निकलता ही नहीं है.
वो निकलता नहीं है. तो I try to inculcate it purpose, like it's a deliberate attempt. I try to tell my team that please appreciate, go all out in appreciating, don't hold your words, go all out, see whatever good has been done and appreciate. That doesn't mean you start giving false praises when nothing is done, but whenever you find a little good as well, if you praise that, the guy will still do more. If you find a job well done in PMS, a good report is written of a overall, praise that guy. And not only, sometimes I have gone out to the extent that I screenshotted that email and I put that name and I sent it to Fleetwise. I said this chief engineer or this third engineer has done a wonderful job and I am appreciating them in front of our whole fleet.
नहीं, अगर थर्ड ईयर का भी नाम आ जाए, से इंजनों में some third year done amazing job, थर्ड ईयर का नाम भी आ जाए, it would do great to him कि somebody has recognized, and I completely agree with you. Having said that, sir, फिर भी आज भी there is a tussle कि चलो एक तो मोटर वाला incidents we took up, still there is a tussle. Saturday Sundays तो superintendents मेल भी नहीं देखते हैं.
That is
how true is that?
Not true at all.
Saturday Sunday हो गया, अब ऑफिस से मेल नहीं आएगा, अब तो
अगर आपको नहीं आ रहा है तो यू आर लकी एंड सुपरिटेंडेंट आल्सो इज लकी, आई वुड से, अगर ऐसा चल पा रहा है
सर,
बिकॉज चल नहीं पाता है. Most of the fleet which we are running, I mean in general our fleet and our shipping industry has a fleet of let's say 10 years to 12 years age, and where these ships create problem and this is like the Murphy's law, that जैसे शिप में आपको टेढ़े मेढ़े all voodoo alarms will come at 2 a.m. in the night. Similarly for a superintendent the voodoo rule is that all or this voodoo emails will come or voodoo news will come on Saturday evening.
सर एक चीज़ मैं बिल्कुल यहाँ पर एक सी व्हेन आई एम टुडे इनटू एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप एज अ चीफ इंजीनियर आई वाज वर्किंग ऑल द टाइम ऑन शिप सो मेरा तो कोई सैटरडे कोई संडे था नहीं सर बट जब व्हेन देयर नो मेल यूज्ड टू कम फ्रॉम ऑफिस ऐसे से आप देखो सैटरडे संडे मना रहे हैं आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट माई सेल्फ नॉट टू ऑफेंड एनीवन
No, see,
बट
yeah.
अब जब मैं एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जर्नी में आ गया हूँ और अगर सैटरडे संडे को अगर आपको एक भी मेल आ जाता है आपको अगर उसमें आंसर करना है सडनली बगल में यू हैव गॉट योर फैमिली वाइफ लुकिंग एट यू वी हैड अ डिनर प्लान there is some friend waiting at you because you had some plan because right now you are in a social circle out there so you have some prior commitments जो भी वो भी part है आपका life का and out here as a chief and I'm on ship who's only working I've got no social commitments so that is also something that I do not see at that particular time so अब मैं समझ पा रहा हूँ ये challenge
I have seen people who have been removed because they did not answer a mail on New Year's Eve. And they said that it was New Year's Eve, I was having a party, but he said, why you did not answer? This was an important mail. Please put your papers down. It's a very rough industry. So forget about, if you are not getting a mail on Saturdays from your superintendent, that poor guy is sending a mail to the fourth ship that he has. You are lucky and he is lucky that other three ships are not getting. But he is a very, very this job I would say is one of the most time poor jobs in the world. And if he gets his Saturday off, please pray to God that he gets more Saturdays off.
sir we seafarers also want Sundays off full time
Seafarer and Sundays. Okay, many companies, I still fail to understand. I have inculcated that 5 p.m. off and Saturdays half day, Sunday full day. I have
सर
done
ये
on
आप
tankers.
कहाँ ये बातें बोल रहे हो
I
सर
have done it on
सर
tankers.
you have done on tankers you have
See,
saved a
but
company where it was
understand, even your company SMS says that. Why are you giving overtime?
oh
On
god
Sunday,
सर
why are you
संडेज
giving?
को हाफ डे मिल जाता है ना जनता खुश होती है कि संडेज
Half
को हाफ डे
days
मिल
we
गया
give.
संडेज हाफ डे
See, if your ships are well maintained, of course, I sailed on average age ships were 5 years. So these ships were giving predictable challenges. That is where a challenge. That is where the life difference comes in. If you are sailing on a 12-year or a 15-year-old ship, Sundays off will be very difficult. But if you are sailing on a 5-year-old ship, and if you are still keeping Sundays manned, then there is some problem with the management.
management mindset different.
Because you can easily complete all PMS jobs. Your SMS is saying that in Sunday only if it's a emergency you call the maintenance people guys and open a machinery. Otherwise you plan it on Monday. And of course I cannot say the same thing to the deck guys because they have to do the navigation watches. But this is a meme as well which I created. Some of my friends created that okay, on a Sunday afternoon engineers are playing cricket on the bridge wing and the poor guy is doing his watch.
सर एक और क्वेश्चन है इसी में से निकल के आता है मे बी दैट इज सर कुछ सुपरिटेंडेंट्स दे सेंड अ लॉट ऑफ मेल्स
Yes.
एंड सम सुपरिटेंडेंट्स डू नॉट सेंड मेल्स
Yeah, I'll tell you one company. It was.
सर आप नाम मत लीजिए प्लीज
No, you guys can anyway beep it. You are beeping it a lot. So I was selling on an Italian company called, and they are being manned by. So,
सर इतने नाम मत लीजिए
okay, so this company had an Italian superintendent. This superintendent never used to send a mail on Saturdays, Sundays, of course, European culture.
लाइफ सर
Okay, they have a life. Friday evening 4 p.m. you cannot find him in his office. It's already closed. It's party time, and he's very little on emails. He says, "You are chief engineer. You are captain. You run the show. You whatever you need, I just give it to me." And no questions asked. I ask him for a liner, he will send. I ask him for a board, he will send. So no questions asked. They are giving spares. They are arranging the surveys. This company culture is like that. And we as chief engineers graduated and became very responsible because now we know that the superintendent is not watching our boiler reports, not watching our scrutinizing our performance reports. We have to do it ourselves. Tomorrow a breakdown happens, it will directly fall on me.
सर ये ना बड़ा टची टॉपिक है बट आई विल इंक्लूड दिस इनटू दिस सर आई हैव हर्ड एंड ट्रस्ट मी सर इंडियन सुपरिटेंडेंट्स एंड यूरोपियन सुपरिटेंडेंट्स में जमीन आसमान का देयर इज अ बिग ह्यूज डिफरेंस
Most definite, I would say.
very much
See, I
मतलब
being an Indian-
Indian superintendent on board ship means lot of mails
Yes.
each and every scrutinized a European superintendent even different थोड़ा slightly different nationality not Asian very less mails
Yes.
to the point mails sir why is it so are we phobic of something ke or we have to prove to our superiors or is it our work culture that has made what is your take on that
I mean, I being an Indian superintendent always want to become a European superintendent, but I am not able to take out that Indianness from me. sooner or later I get a temptation to look into more details and micromanage my ship. This is something which is inherent in me, and even though I love the culture which Europeans do for managing their ships, they put full trust in their ship's crew. They don't micromanage, and ships are running well and fine. So just to try to take some brownie points, and if I have to show off in the company, okay, I will try to micromanage. Okay, I'll find 50 more defects here, 50 more defects here. Oh, this guy has no use.
ये report में
This
अच्छा
guy
नहीं
is
लिखा
no,
है, अच्छा।
this guy has not found out this defect is listed since last 3 months, and no one has taken any action. And I will write atom bomb mail. This bomb will blast everywhere. To all parties I will send. Oh, DPA will, okay, this company is full of nonsense people. Sure, ship staff is sleeping. But this is not going to be much of use. And I have seen in the long run, a systematic approach works much fine, because you cannot suddenly at the click of your finger change the whole world. You have to start with a 10% approach or a 20% improvement approach. So you have a crew, you may be having hundreds of problems, but you identify and you try to
So what
systematically
is that
plan.
one advice, sir? Again, मैं इसमें बिल्कुल अपना टेक देता हूँ. Why it is very important to have, that is why this podcast is there. Sir, as an entrepreneur, my thought process is completely different. Like two of my employees are sitting here. These are young guys. I want them to slog for 70 hours in a week. I want them to work every day 10 hours.
Yeah.
On the other hand, if I'm an employee myself, I want that Friday, Saturday off, Sunday off. I want. As an entrepreneur, I do not want off for myself as well.
Okay.
So these are two different takes that I have when the moment my job profile changes. But why is it an Indian who is working under an Indian, say you have got technical manager is Indian, superintendent is Indian, maybe the boss Indian, suddenly the atmosphere completely changes. ले भाई 12 hours every day, Saturday ही बैठे हैं, कोई टेंशन, maybe even calling on Sundays meeting as well.
Yes.
And Europeans having
know-
a cool
you
time.
know-
जहाज उनका भी चल रहा है, हमारा
There
भी
is
चल
a
रहा है.
company in India called.
सर आप प्लीज भाई बीप करो फिर से.
Okay, this company, my friend was there. I was getting an offer of a technical manager from this company, and I asked my colleague who is working there, okay, should I join this? And he said, bro, every day meeting is being planned. Online meeting is planned at 6:30 after we finish everything, and this 6:30 meeting will continue till 8:30 for no reason at all. This culture is like that. So they just try to show that they are working, and this culture, and I was literally shaken, and I withdrew my papers.
So आपको लगता है कि यूरोपियन कल्चर जहाँ पर they are, do you think they are more organized?
But what happens when I went to Hamburg, I saw European culture, and then I saw the top bosses looking for Indian superintendent there. They
Sir,
said
देखिए,
that
काम
we need
तो-
Indian because somebody has to do the work.
Somebody
If is lying on the floor, somebody has to clean the floor.
तो मतलब क्लीन करने के लिए इंडियन सुपरिटेंडेंट चाहिए,
Because-
ऐश करने के लिए यूरोपियन सुपरिटेंडेंट.
That's why they are losing the jobs. This is a see. You have to
सर
clean.
यार ये भी बीप कर देना.
Okay.
हाँ.
See, job has to be done. It is the. I mean, you have to do the. You have to slog. Somebody has to slog. Otherwise, the asset will keep deteriorating. So people who slog make the asset look wonderful. To slog, you will have to find people. Now, if your work culture
So
is
for
not
slog के लिए Asians, Indians, Filipinos.
I mean, of course, this is a
Chinese.
dark reality. And what is happening, I am seeing from my perspective, is that the ship owners are trying to shift jobs to Philippines and India so that they get more work output. And the Indians and Filipinos who are smart enough are trying to shift to Europe to get a good life. So we will meet halfway, and then probably they will come here and we will go there.
सर ये होना है. देखिए सर, अभी नारायण मूर्ति सर ने डाला था कि एटलीस्ट यू शुड वर्क 70 आवर्स.
एक चीज मैं इसमें बोलूंगा 70 आवर्स पे. Pranit, you have just now suggested an idea for bonuses. So 70 hours a week can immediately happen. Narayana Murthy sir wanted people to work 70 hours. Put some performance bonuses. They will maybe work 80 hours.
सर
90
नहीं
hours.
सर, ये सर क्या होता है सर, people सर इनिशियली इट स्टार्ट्स एज अ परफॉर्मेंस बोनस बट देन इट बिकम्स अ राइट, then it becomes a part. That is where the problem.
So now this problem is of your system, that you are not, the system is not
इसीलिए
able
तो
to
system
track-
change नहीं करते.
System is not able to track good performance versus bad performance versus only a show performance. Some people are showing that they are working. Some people are working but they're not able to show that they are working. System should be such that the system captures the right people and rewards them.
Oh,
Till that time we have that system, we are at the at the mercy of the current structure.
Okay guys, for the next video tune on to this channel, and when the next video comes you will learn something new. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.
Jai Mata Di.
Guys, I hope you like this video. Piyush Gupta sir के साथ amazing chief engineer, then a technical superintendent for a few years, then a technical manager today, a seafarer who is also an amazing actor. आपको पता है इनकी अपनी एक वेब सीरीज है जिसका नाम है PNP Junction. हाँ, ट्रांजिस्टर वाला PNP Junction. YouTube पे मिलेगी, लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स है. he has composed a lot of videos as well. ये इनका पैशन है जिसके ऊपर ये दबा के टाइम देते हैं और बहुत अच्छे इंसान हैं. सो शो सम लव यार गाइस, जहाजी हैं हम लोग, हमें जहाजियों के काम को सपोर्ट करना है. तो लिंक है डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, जाके एक एक एपिसोड देखो, क्या पता कनेक्शन बने. और कमेंट में बताना जरूर कि क्या अच्छा लगा. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी.